Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix video mute issue into Twitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to fix this issue, first of all let me know this is not an issue. Your video is muted by default into Twitch. Now, this is a setting rather than a problem. In order to fix this setting, you just simply have to tap into your profile picture and after that go to account settings. And now into the account settings, you just simply have to select preferences, and then after selecting the preferences option, you will get so many options. And as you can see here, there is the option of mute feed by default. It is because you have enabled this toggle, your videos are being mute, not because of any server issues or Twitch problems. Now, in order to unmute the videos, you just simply have to disable this toggle and then your problem will easily be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.